If you are looking for the best aux cable, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Syncwire 3.5mm Nylon Braided Aux Cable. If you're on the lookout for a dependable auxiliary cable and have device compatibility as your most significant consideration, then the Syncwire auxiliary cable is one to consider. At 3.3 feet, this cable is the most portable and perfect for playing audio in a car. The Syncwire also has universal compatibility and can work with any device with a 3.5mm aux port. Its gold-plated jack ensures reliability, reduces noise, and eliminates signal loss. It also ensures that the sound quality of the cable is always top-notch. Number 2. Amazon Basics 3.5mm male-to-male stereo audio aux cable. It is another best option for you. It has gold-plated plugs on either end for trusted performance. This also makes it able to resist corrosion throughout its use. It also has dual shielding and offers the utmost compatibility for all devices. This allows your device to be plugged in and charged alongside this aux cable. Overall, the Amazon Basics aux cable is beautiful and has a small design at both ends, providing a narrow shaft to connect through phone and iPad cases easily. Number 3. Mediabridge 3.5mm male-to-male stereo audio cable. Thoughtfully engineered from jack to jack, the Mediabridge 3.5mm aux cable has everything you want to see in a high-quality cable, including 24K gold-plated plugs, dual shielding, and polished metal connectors at both ends. The cable itself produced no discernible noise regardless of the aux port we plugged into. It is a well-engineered, well-built aux cable that will work beautifully with any compatible device. The quality of the audio is outstanding and your connections are nice and snug time after time. It is compatible with all standard 3.5mm audio ports. Number 4. FosPower audio cable, 25 ft. The quality of the FosPower stereo auxiliary cable is apparent even from a distance. This is a one-of-a-kind auxiliary cable that works great and is quite affordable. The FosPower stereo auxiliary cable features a PVC jacket. It also has copper braided shielding and aluminum foil shielding, both of which make the cable incredibly flexible and significantly reduces ME/RFI interference. The tin-plated copper core reduces oxidation and lengthens the wire's life, while a foam insulator in the cable helps to prevent signal loss. The FosPower cable is especially great for car auxiliary ports, although the device must use the 3.5mm format. Number 5. Anker 3.5mm premium auxiliary audio cable, 4 feet 1.2 meters aux cable. This product comes in black color, and it is made from quality polyvinyl chloride material. It is durable and can last up to a remarkable 10,000 bends. It has a sleek design which makes it easily mobile to be used with all devices, stereos, and speakers with 3.5mm audio jacks. Its output is nothing but a premium sound quality. It is a plug-and-play cable and requires no added software to use. This Anker 3.5mm aux cable is simply a perfect complement for all music lovers. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.